Hi there, my name is Charmin and I run a little channel called SWF Beach Life. I'm normally running around the beach. This is beautiful Fort Myers Beach just a couple of weeks ago. And I want to give you the deal on parking because things are a little bit funky down at Fort Myers Beach right now. As you know, a hurricane came through and businesses are desperately trying to repair and open up. Here at the bottom of the bridge on the right, the Yucatan is open. Their kitchen is operating in the parking lot, but you can go there to get a snack and get a drink. And the parking, there's a little bit of parking there too, some on the street, and there's a lot there that you can use an app and you'll be able to find parking. There's a couple of pop-up places, so there's a little bit of shopping you can do, and again, more parking at Times Square. Just past also the Margaritaville construction, there's another lot, that's going to be the Gulf side, and if you go just a little bit more up the street on the left, there's lots that are open, so you can go have a safe place to park and go and try to enjoy the beach. Now there's also a couple of food trucks that will be open. The tuna skin store is open, and that is all in this area. So you can go find beach parking, pay for it, patronize the town a little bit, maybe find some food and some drinks, and even buy, a couple of souvenirs or other good things you can find down there. So that is the deal. It's a little beat up, but they do need your help. So by all means, go have fun.